Hello and welcome to the LTS channel. I'm Joel and today I'm going to show you how to set up your new Pro X video doorbell and chime. Let's quickly take a look at what's inside the box. Inside the box we have the startup guide, the installation template, the chime itself, the doorbell, and we have the wire nuts, anchors, screws, and jumper cables, and then we have both the flat and angle bracket. Now let's set up your Pro X video doorbell. For your convenience, the initial setup is made simple by powering your device with the USB-C port on the back, so you can conveniently complete your setup at your office and not on location. Let's get started. First, open the app and log into your Pro X account. Make sure your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are turned on. Select the plus icon to add a device and scan the QR code on the back of the video doorbell. The serial number will be automatically filled in. Then select Next. Make sure the device is powered on and the light is flashing blue. Once confirmed, select Next. Enter a username, password, and email for the device. The email is for the password recovery process. Once complete, select Next. By default, the app will try to connect to your currently connected network. If you want a different network, select Change and pick the network that you want. Then, enter the Wi-Fi password and select Next. Once connected, the device will play a voice confirmation.
Device is successfully connected to the network.
Then, it will automatically register the device and add it to your account. When registration is finished, give your device a name, then select Next. If necessary, select your time zone and daylight saving settings. And that's it! Congratulations on successfully adding your device. Additionally, these setup steps can be replicated when setting up your chime unit. And if you need to reset your device for any reason, there's a small button on the inside of the SD card cover. By using your PIN, press and hold the button until the device starts to flash red. Once it flashes blue, the device is reset and available to pair once again. Now that the initial setup is complete, let's install your Pro X video doorbell. Start by locating the mechanical chime and remove the front plate. Identify the front, rear, and transformer connections. Connect one end of the included jumper cable to the front or rear terminal, and the other end to the transformer terminal. Remove the existing push button and disconnect the wiring. Identify the locking tabs on the flat bracket, remove them, and set them aside for later. Then, attach the flat bracket to the wall with the provided screws, and feed the wires through the bracket. For installations that require the angled bracket, mount the angled bracket to the wall first with the provided screws and anchors. Once installed, adjust to your desired angle, and tighten the screw on the bottom. Attach the flat bracket with screws and feed the wires through the brackets. Once installed, connect the wires to the doorbell. Then, click the doorbell into the flat bracket. Insert the locking tab, pin side down in the middle space between the flat bracket and the wall, or between the flat bracket and the angled bracket, depending on your installation. Verify that your Pro X video doorbell is powered on and operating. Congratulations! You just successfully installed your Pro X video doorbell. And there you have it. The Pro X video doorbell is set up and ready to go. Whether you're protecting your home, managing an apartment complex, or monitoring a business entrance, the Pro X video doorbell helps you stay connected to every visitor without the recurring subscription fees. I want to thank you so much for watching this video and consider subscribing for the latest updates to all LTS solutions. Until next time.